Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ranjani. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple Indian party look in Salwar. Hope you guys remember Kriti. She is my model today. This look is something very simple as well as glam. You can pull it off at any Indian parties with any Indian outfit. To begin, I have taken Backlight Priming Filter Face Primer from BECCA and I'm priming her face. This primer is something that blurs out the fine lines, pores, wrinkles and gives you that luminescent look. To hide the hyperpigmentation, I am using LA Girl Pro Conceal Orange Corrector. On top of it, I am using BareMinerals Bare Pro Foundation. Just dab it all over your face using the Damp Beauty Sponge. I have taken Makeup Forever HD Concealer to conceal her under eye area. As always, blend it in an upward motion. People who have a dry under eye area or fine lines under your eye like me, I would say do try Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer. It's amazingly hydrated and it doesn't get settled in your fine line, and it's weightless too, so it's easy to blend. Set your eyes with setting powder. I have used Mercier setting powder as always. And for the brows, I have taken Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade. Start your brows from middle to the end and give it thin strokes to fill the sparse area. I have taken this Pearl Cosmetics Festival Edition eyeshadow palette and I have picked the transition shade and I'm blending it in her crease. A transition shade is something that helps to merge colors together and also give some depth to your eyeshadow. Even if you decide to use just one color on your lid, I would say transition shade will make a huge difference. I'm taking this shade Magenta and I'm blending it in her crease. Once I finish blending, I'm taking a purple color shade and I'm blending it in the outer V of her eye. To add that extra pop, I'm applying a glitter, focusing on the center towards the inner V of her eye. Take a clean brush and blend all the colors together. To highlight the brow bone and inner corner of her eye, I'm taking the shade Treasure from Tarte Rainforest palette. Dust the fallouts and fill in the lower lash line with the purple and the magenta shade. To line her eyes, I have taken Smashbox gel liner and I'm using the Sephora Collection Pro Taper Liner brush number 33. And I'm filling the lower lash line. To line her upper lash line, I have taken Ico eye pen and I'm creating a wing. To add that extra volume to her lashes, I am using Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 Mascara from Tarte in the shade Rich Black and I am giving a nice coat. To highlight, I'm taking Artist Couture highlighter and I'm highlighting the highest points of her face, focusing on the bridge of the nose, forehead, highest points of her cheekbone, cupid bow, and the chin. To add the flush of a color to her cheeks, I've taken Cover FX palette and I'm taking the blush using the Moda brush and I'm applying the blush in a sweeping motion in an apples of her cheeks. I'm lining her lips with NYX lip liner in the shade San Paulo. And finally, I'm coating her lips with Sephora Collection Cream Lip Satin in the shade Sunrise Pink. To complete this look, I'm attaching some falsies. I've taken Lilly lashes and I'm applying it on her lashes using tweezers. To hold the products in the place, I'm finishing it with a setting spray. I'm using Milani Dewy Finish Setting Spray. This is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do like, share with your friends, and if you didn't subscribe, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you soon with a brand new tutorial. Until then, bye. Thanks for watching.